Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on aluminium. MCX aluminium price had given a trendline breakdown and moving in falling channel indicate short-term trend is bearish. However, base metal price had started forming lower high lower low formation and price is hovering near to its key important support at 227 level on downside and break below will drag the price further down till 222 and 218 level in near term. On the upside, key resistance hold at 233 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.